Naruto Uzumaki was born with a huge challenge. When he was just a baby, a terrifying nine-tailed fox attacked his village, causing distraction everywhere. But Naruto's dad, the fourth Hokage, saved the village by sealing the powerful fox inside baby Naruto. The villagers, however, didn't understand this. They were scared of the fox inside him, and because of that, they avoided and ignored Naruto. He was all alone. Despite the loneliness, Naruto didn't give up. Instead of feeling sad or angry, he made a big decision. He wanted to become a ninja, the greatest ninja of all, and eventually become the Hokage, the leader of the village. He believed that if he worked hard enough, he could change how people saw him. But becoming a ninja wasn't easy. At first, Naruto was terrible at everything. He couldn't even do basic ninja techniques like most of the other kids in his class. One of the first jutsu he tried was the clone jutsu, where he was supposed to create copies of himself. But instead of making a whole bunch of clones, he would only create one or two tiny versions of himself. And they were always weak. Everyone laughed at him, but Naruto didn't give up. He practiced every day, pushing himself harder than anyone else. Eventually, he got better and better until one day he managed to create a whole army of clones all at once. That was just the beginning of his journey. As Naruto continued to grow, he faced even more challenges. One of the toughest was when he fought a powerful ninja named Neji. Neji believed that only people with special bloodliness could become strong, and he mocked Naruto for being an outsider. But Naruto didn't care about that. He believed that anyone could become great if they worked hard enough, and he showed Neji that determination and effort were far stronger than just talent. In the fight, Naruto refused to give up no matter how difficult things got, and in the end, Naruto won. But that wasn't the end of his journey. He faced many more enemies and tough situations, and he made countless friends along the way. He helped people, protected his village, and proved that anyone, even someone with a giant fox sealed inside them, could become a hero if they never gave up. Finally, after years of fighting, learning, and growing, Naruto achieved his dream. He became the seventh Hokage, the leader of his village, just like he had always wanted. The people who once ignored and feared him now respected him and looked up to him. Hope you like this video and story. Comment which cartoon you want to see in the next video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.